Best circular saws. Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Makita 5377 Magnesium Hypoid Saw. The model 5377 mg worm drive circular saw is built for professionals and serious DIYers who demand relentless power, precision, and durability on the job site. Yes, it's corded, and that's exactly why it delivers uncompromising, consistent performance cut after cut. With a robust 15-amp motor spinning at up to 4,500 revolutions per minute, this saw powers effortlessly through dense, pressure-treated lumber, including heavy 2x10s, without slowing down or losing torque mid-cut. Despite its industrial strength, the 5,377 mg is surprisingly lightweight at just 13.2 pounds. Its reduced weight comes from premium magnesium components, including a magnesium-based motor housing that not only improves balance but also delivers steadier power than traditional worm drive designs. The motor is factory sealed with oil and paired with an internal fan system that continuously lubricates the gears during operation. This innovative design eliminates the need for routine oil changes, reduces maintenance, and significantly extends the life of the tool. Cutting accuracy is another standout feature. The blade line is highly visible, allowing for precise, confident cuts, while the ergonomic handle and spacious trigger area ensure comfort and control during extended use. Equipped with a 7 1/4 inch, 24-tooth blade, this saw is versatile enough for everything from clean plywood cuts to aggressive demolition work, including subfloor removal and trench cuts in concrete. If you're looking for a circular saw that truly does it all: power, reliability, and precision, the model 5377 mg is a clear top-tier choice. Number 2. Skil 15-amp corded circular saw. The Skil 5280-2001 corded circular saw proves why Skil has remained a trusted name in cutting tools for decades. Designed to deliver dependable performance at an affordable price, this saw combines power, accuracy, and user-friendly features that make it ideal for homeowners, DIYers, and job site use alike. Equipped with a strong 15-amp motor and an impressive top speed of 5,300 revolutions per minute, it delivers plenty of torque for fast, clean cuts through framing lumber, plywood, and sheet goods. Despite its power, the Skil 5280-2001 is lightweight at just 8.8 pounds, making it easy to maneuver and comfortable to use for extended periods. The balanced design and ergonomic handle improve control, while the shoe sits perfectly parallel to the blade for consistent, accurate cuts. Adjusting the cut depth is quick and simple, allowing you to switch between rip cuts and cross cuts with confidence. This saw comes fitted with a 7 1/4 inch, 24-tooth framing blade that's well suited for everyday construction and renovation tasks. Even with the blade fully engaged in dense lumber, the motor powers through with minimal resistance, delivering smooth, reliable performance. A bright power-on indicator light adds an extra layer of safety by clearly showing when the tool is energized, an often overlooked feature that's especially useful on busy work sites. If you're looking for a capable, no-nonsense circular saw backed by decades of expertise, the Skil 5280-2001 offers excellent value, solid cutting power, and dependable accuracy in a lightweight, easy-to-handle design. Number 3. Bosch 18V Cordless Circular Saw. The Bosch GKS 18V25 GCB14 cordless circular saw sets a new standard for precision, versatility, and smart design. Powered by an 18V system and paired with a high-capacity 8.0Ah battery, this saw delivers impressive cutting performance while maintaining excellent balance and control. At just 11.6 pounds total, including battery, it feels nimble in hand, making it easy to guide through long rip cuts or precise crosscuts without fatigue. Equipped with a full-size 7.1/4 inch, 24-tooth framing blade and a top speed of 5,000 revolutions per minute, this saw handles everything from thin plywood to thick construction lumber with confidence. What truly sets it apart is its aluminum accessory track compatibility. With no special shoe or mounting hardware required, the saw seamlessly slides along the track, sold separately, producing straight, table saw accurate cuts on boards or sheet goods, ideal for job site precision and workshop quality results. Depth adjustment is fast and intuitive thanks to a conveniently placed thumb latch above the trigger. A simple press allows the shoe to drop, while fine-tuning is easily done by hand for perfect blade exposure every time. Additional smart features include an eco mode that reduces power for light-duty cuts to extend battery life, along with 6 speed settings that let you tailor performance from delicate plywood work to full-depth framing cuts. A built-in battery charge indicator keeps you informed of remaining power, helping you plan work efficiently. For professionals and serious DIYers seeking near-perfect cordless performance, the Bosch GKS18V25 GCB14 delivers precision, control, and innovation in one exceptional circular saw. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Circular Saw. The DEWALT DCS590 cordless circular saw delivers corded-level performance with the freedom of cordless convenience. Built to handle demanding job site work, this powerful saw runs on standard 20V max batteries or DEWALT's high-output 20V/60V FlexVolt battery system, battery not included, giving you exceptional runtime and cutting strength when you need it most. With a no-load speed of up to 5,500 revolutions per minute and a full-size 7.1/4-inch, 24-tooth framing blade, it powers through lumber with smooth, confident cuts. When paired with a FlexVolt battery, the DCS590 offers outstanding endurance and depth capability, cutting repeatedly at depths up to 2 9/16 inches without noticeable power drop-off. In heavy framing applications, it delivers an impressive number of cuts on a single charge, making it ideal for long workdays where reliability matters. While larger batteries add some weight, the saw remains well-balanced and comfortable to use. At just 8.2 pounds, tool only, this saw features thoughtfully designed ergonomics, including well-positioned handles and a rubberized grip that reduce fatigue and improve control. Accuracy is excellent, whether you're making quick crosscuts or long rip cuts. An electronic blade brake quickly stops the blade within seconds of releasing the trigger, enhancing safety and efficiency between cuts. If you're ready to go cordless without sacrificing power, precision, or durability, the DEWALT DCS590 is a standout choice. It's a rugged, high-performance circular saw designed for professionals and serious DIYers who expect top-tier results from their tools. Number 5. Makita 5007mg Circular Saw. The Makita 5007mg circular saw is a powerful, precision-built tool designed for professionals and serious DIYers who want dependable performance and long-term durability. Powered by a robust 15-amp motor and delivering a fast 5,800 revolutions per minute no-load speed, this saw cuts effortlessly through framing lumber, plywood, and dense hardwoods. Whether you're ripping boards or making clean crosscuts, it provides smooth, consistent results every time. Built with lightweight magnesium components, the 5007mg weighs just 10.6 pounds, making it easier on your hands and arms during extended use. Despite its lighter build, it has the strength and torque needed to handle demanding cutting tasks without hesitation. A full-size 7.25-inch, 24-tooth framing blade comes standard, giving you the depth and versatility required for construction, remodeling, and workshop projects. Visibility is a standout feature of this saw. 2 onboard LED lights brightly illuminate the cutting line, ensuring accurate cuts even in dimly lit work areas. In addition, Makita's duct dust blower continuously clears sawdust away from the blade path, so you always have a clear view of your mark for maximum precision. As a corded circular saw, the 5007mg trades some portability for uninterrupted power and reliability. There's no battery to recharge and no drop in performance during tough cuts, just steady, consistent output all day long. If mobility isn't your top priority and you want a proven, high-quality saw built to last, the Makita 5007mg is an excellent investment for any workshop or job site.